Hi, I'm David Jolly. There is a possibility that you will be required to install an Ignition Interlock device at your first court date. Yeah, before the case is finished, before you've been even convicted of anything. And you may need to install the device within 5 days of your first court date. So, why? Well, if you have a prior DUI charge in the past, any time in the past, it is mandatory in Washington State for you to install an Ignition Interlock device within 5 days of your first court date. If this is you, I strongly advise you contact an Ignition Interlock device provider prior to your first court date and schedule the Ignition Interlock device to be installed. Sometimes it's hard to get the device installed timely, so prepare early to reduce your stress. Now, if you don't have a vehicle or don't want to install the device, you do have another option. Not a good one, but you do have another option, and that is you can have a Scram bracelet in lieu of the Ignition Interlock. The Scram is a device that's strapped to your ankle and reads alcohol in your sweat glands. Bottom line, if you have a prior DUI, you must have either the Ignition Interlock device or a Scram bracelet following your first court date, and you must have it through the completion of your case. Now, there's another possibility. Even if this is your first DUI, that you still may need the Ignition Interlock device after your first court date. Not every court is the same, but in cases where the facts are bad or the breath test is high, it is possible the judge will require you to install the device. I strongly advise you talk this through with your attorney.